Tell your brother. What's going on, guys? Buck here. I went down to Bass Pro Shops a little while ago. Didn't really need anything in particular, but every now and then I just like to go down there or Academy and look around, especially Bass Pros. Bass Pro is pretty cool to look at, even if you have no intentions of buying. They got all the taxidermy mounts, and they got the big fish tank and everything, so it's just kind of something cool just to do. But I got to tell you, I was down there and saw this boat. I was like, man, that's a nice boat. Didn't think much of it, not in the market to buy a new boat right now, but I got to tell you, the more I looked at it, the more I liked it. And, I'd walk away and go look at the, whatever, go down the spinnerbait aisle or down the plastics aisle. Just kept thinking about it. Finally, I caved in. Did not need a boat, For all you who know me know that I've already got a couple boats. They're out there. Right now they're with my boy Bubba. I currently don't have a tow hitch, so I can't pull them. So, did not need another boat. But I got another boat. Couldn't help myself. It just kept calling to me. It was driving me insane. I actually even left the store, got down the road and turned around, came back, and I bought a boat. I got me a new Nitro Z21, kind of red and white paint job on it, finish, whatever. It's pretty sharp, it's pretty sharp. Well, instead of telling you about it, why don't I just show it to you? All right. It is a boat. I saw this, when I first saw it, I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. And, my story was partially true. The more I looked at it, the more I realized that I have to have this. I need it! So, I got it. This is actually a fishing boat. It's rigged up with a line and bobbers and all that stuff. It says it's capable of handling a 2-pound fish. So I figured it'd be kind of fun. Why not? So I got it. And I figured I'd take it down. Great Grandpa Willis's pond would be the perfect place to try this thing out. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and open this up and check it out. You're never too old to have toys. I'm just saying. Catches real fish up to 2 pounds. Fishing tackle included. Bonus display stand. 80-foot operating range. Adjustable steering and trim. Wow. I didn't expect that. I figured it would steer, and I didn't think it would have trim. Well, we got some tape going on. Alright guys, so I got it all unpackaged. which was kind of a task. Got the batteries all in. Kind of cool on the display, you know, when I'm not playing with it. Just set it up in here and it would look like it's supposed to be here, because it's all fishing junk. But anyway, let me show you all the prop here. Thing's got a little bit of thrust. See that down there? Then of course, steer it there. Now on the outboard, it's got that little, looks like a ball hitch. That's actually where you tie your line and hook. Kind of neat. You know, they didn't have toys like this when I was a kid. I mean, let's be honest, I'm still a kid. I'm just an old, fat, tired, cranky kid. But anyway, you know, it's got the seats all in it. You gotta have a trolling motor. But you know what? This thing is pretty cool. Hope y'all can see it real good on that camera. Got plenty of storage compartments. Little steering wheel. Now this hook right here, I figured out. This thing comes with little hook. That way, say you hit a sandbar, just reach on down there and pull her on up. And of course, like I said earlier, you know, it comes with some line. I believe it said this was a 4-pound test. That's just some extra line apparently, because it's already got this little thing rigged up. Got well, yeah. Got a little hook in there with a cork. Looks like it's tied up on a leader. So got 2 sets of that, some extra corks, extra line. I think the only thing left to do now is take it on down to the water. So let's go see what this bad boy can do. Alright, so we're going to try to catch a fish. First, let's try to run this motor a little bit. I think I need to fix that trim. Let's see if we can adjust that a little bit. A little better. You always want to go slow over structure. I need to trim it just a little bit more. Thing makes a pretty good wake. Alright, let's bring her on in and see if we can catch a fish. Might have made that leader a little short. Oh. Oh, missed him. Well, I think I'm full of grass. Doggone it. That was a snake. That's a big hit. Well, guys, had a few bites, but we didn't actually get a fish. Got a skunk. Our great grandpa Willis come up with a name for that boat. That's the SS Minnow. It's a good name for that little thing. But anyway, I had a lot of fun. I didn't expect really even a bite today because, you know, we've been having a lot of up and down, cold, hot. So I had to bring it back out when it gets warmer. But I'm heading on to the house, so see y'all on the next trip.